Welcome back. Quick Lyon Post for you today. If you haven't heard of Lyon Post, it's a try before you buy service. You select items from their website, and a lot of what you will probably choose will be on a wait list, and they send you the first 4 available items on your queue. You may have heard they are discontinuing their service. I will go ahead and paste the email that I got from them in the description below. Everything's on sale now. I will put the original prices of the items in the description box. I'm going to give you my current sale price, which I think is probably the website price now. I will give you a referral code below, which will give you $30 to spend at Lyon Post, which right now would actually possibly get you a whole item. They usually have very high priced items, but some of their items that are on sale, and then if you take the additional 30% off, the prices get really good. They are typically very high quality items too. This is not my favorite shipment from them. I'm going to show you a quick try on now with no voiceover. Pretty much everything I have to say about them will be better said when we can just look at the clothing together close up. The Velvet by Graham & Spencer Nana Top. Color is cream, size small. Price is $47.60. I sometimes buy mediums and sometimes buy smalls. I'm not sorry that I bought a small because it's so flowy at the bottom. It does gap a little bit in the bust though. But the deal killer really for me, it may have even said this on the website and I just didn't see it, but it is dry clean only. And I don't need a white dry clean only blouse in my life. I just don't need that kind of pressure. The striped tops I can talk about together because I feel pretty much the exact same way about both of them. They're both by Sundry. The long sleeve ringer is $33.32. The one with the embroidery, which is the girl tee color slub stripe, it's $38.22. They're both soft. They fit nicely. They're nice quality fabric. I can't stand either of them because the stripe is not in the fabric, it is printed. I just hate that. And also I'm wearing this shirt to show you. It was something I picked up at Nordstrom. It has a little embroidery on it, which I don't love. I got it from Nordstrom. It's Madewell brand. I got it for $18.50. And it's actually also really nice quality. Maybe to me feels nicer than these. These are made in the US, which I like. I'm not paying upwards of $30 for either of these tops. I kind of just got this one to annoy my children who take French, but since it also annoys me, I'm sending it back. The black jeans are the 3x1 split seam skinny, size 28, price is $89.25, which is a good price for this brand. This particular pair of pants, we can talk about this. I'll talk about this in a minute with the other items too. Just looks like it's been tried on 100 times. There's like wrinkles at the back of the knees. The tag in the back is starting to come off. It is starting to feel a little bargain basement-y. Like you're going through like a picked over selection, which is fine. You're getting good prices, but it is starting to feel different. That wouldn't be a deal killer on these jeans. What's a deal killer? It's 2 things. I don't know how well it shows up on camera, but I prefer black jeans to look really nicely black. I don't wear black jeans casually. I wear them for times when you're just getting away with jeans when you really shouldn't be wearing jeans. And these are more of just like an everyday. Like if I were a person who wore black all the time, these are your jeans. I'm not that person. These aren't my jeans. They also aren't my jeans because of this weird split. I've seen that on the outside. I've never seen it on the inside. So another beef I have just overall with this shipment is that this is the first time I've received items that seemed like they hadn't been steamed. They're all a little wrinkled. It feels like someone crumbled them up, put them in the sandbag bag, and then they folded them and sent them out to me, which is fine. It's just really kind of been nice with their service that they have like an extra kind of white glove level of service, and that makes you feel better about the prices that you're spending. Start to feel worse. when the items come in. Like, these are good prices for these brands. I don't like any of these items very much, so it's all going back. If you haven't tried Lyon Post before, it is definitely worth checking it out because there are some really good clearance prices on there. Imagine over the next couple months the prices will get better. They aren't getting in new inventory though, so your availability will get worse. It's a balancing act of when to decide when to snag an item and when to decide to wait. Why, thinking about Lyon Post right now, I have taken everything out of my cart that is like more expensive than I would want to pay because I'm just not in the market right now for $90 jeans. You can get lots of really quality jeans for $90. Like, they're nicer quality than $90 jeans. I'm just not in that market right now. And almost everything in my cart is under $40. Most of it's waitlisted. I think I currently have 2 items that are not. I don't know what they even do, if they'll send you those. I don't know how that'll work. Or if things are coming off wait lists or just getting sold because the prices are so low. We'll see how that goes. I'll keep you posted if I get another box. I'm sad to see it go. It is a fun idea. And what they say that they're doing is they're going to pretty much be, I think, handling like the tech end. They're not going to be carrying inventory anymore. They're going to be changing their name and then kind of expanding into offering this try before you buy type service to other e-commerce sites. I'm really curious to see who they partner with. I've kind of really enjoyed having a little bit of a curated selection so I don't have to like sort through a zillion things. Whether I would continue to use their services really depends on who they partner with. And I have a feeling they're going to aim so high end that it may be places that I just wouldn't shop. We'll see. I'm curious to see where it goes, and I wish them the best. I've enjoyed their services, and I've wondered how in the heck they're making money, and it sounds like maybe they're not. I think I have a huge ThredUp goodie box coming. So that'll be interesting to see how I can shoot that and share it with you. I have some food stuff I want to share. I have so much I want to do and only so much time to share it with you. But I look forward to talking to you soon.